YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Whoiskingshawn, and we back again with another classic. Today, we're going to be talking about a company, One Main Financial. Now, One Main Financial been around about 100 years. It's been around a long time. At one point, One Main Financial used to be owned by Citibank. They got into some issues. They ended up selling it to two corporations that came together. But off the bat, to get approved for this card, I call these kind of loans the graveyard loans. That's my personal opinion. Please don't judge me for it. That's just my opinion. People have been requesting for it, so I'm going to do a review on this video. To get approved for this loan, you need at least, people, a 620 credit score. Get your pen, get your paper, because we about to go talk about this. All right, people, today we're talking about One Main Financial. Now, off the back, I just want to let you know, I understand everybody doesn't have good credit or excellent credit. So I do videos for all people. People might be in the rebuilding stage. Some people might have horrible credit. I do videos for everybody. This video, like I told you at the beginning, is for people that got a 620 or more. So if you have bad to okay credit, this is for you. It ranged from $1,500 to $20,000. And it could be a personal loan or a auto loan. And right here, as you see right here, check your offer. This won't affect your credit score. So, you know, people be worrying if you're applying for these loans, if you're applying for these credit cards, you're like, man, I don't want to get denied. On top of that, get an inquiry. You don't have to worry about that, because if you're accepted, if you're not, you're good to go. It's not going to affect your credit score. Let's scroll right down here. What is a personal loan anyway? Personal loans are installment loans with fixed interest rates that you can use for a variety of reasons. If approved, you'll borrow a set amount of money and pay it off with monthly payments over a scheduled period of time. Personal loan can offer an alternative to credit cards by giving you a predictable and fixed repayment plan. They can even be a tool to rebuild if you make your payments on time. Again, people, if you're in the phase of rebuilding or building your credit, this might be a loan for you. Let's scroll down. We're going to get right to it. Common use for a personal loan, as you know, like any other loans, you know, debt consolidation, life events, wedding loans, medical loans, funeral loans, emergency loans, moving loans, anything. Recreation, if you want to take a vacation, you're trying to fly out, you're trying to do something, you can use this loan for that. Auto loans, if you're trying to refinance it, if you're trying to purchase it, this is the one. Home improvements, you could do it with this loan. Now, off the back, how it works. Once we have some financial, employment, and personal information, you'll get a quick response on your loan request. So you don't got to worry about sitting around waiting for 3-5 days. You will get an instant answer for everything. Connect with a loan specialist. You know, right here it breaks down. Upon approval, we'll discuss your options and verify things like identity, income, expenses, and any needed collateral on the phone, online, or at the branch. And again, people, One Main Financial, I tell you, been around a long time. They actually got branches. You just have to go to Google, put up your location, and it'll show the nearest one to you. You know, some of these fintech companies, they don't have locations where you could go into the branch, but One Financial, you can. You could go down and you could sit with a customer service, and you could go over all this with them. Right here, step 3, sign and get your money. After you review and accept your loan, you'll sign loan documents and receive the money easy. And people, once you are approved and after you sign those papers, you will receive your money in 24 hours. You cannot beat that. This is easy and this is simple. Now, let's get to this point right here. The rates, say you're approved. Now what? So if you're in the range of $1,500 to $20,000, our rates and terms is from 18% to 35.99%. You know, to me, that is horrible. That is a nightmare. But the loan terms, 24 months, 36 months, 48, or 60 months. Off the back, you should at least do, my opinion, from my data, you should do at least 3 years and under. You got a better rate of getting approved for a higher amount. I did this just curious, see what they were approving for. They actually approved me for the max of the 20,000, and my rate was 21.99. Now, 21.99 is a nightmare for me. I'm in a stage of I have excellent credit. If they said 5%, maybe 4%, somewhere 6%, even 6%, we could work with that. But when you're talking about 15, 16, 20, even up to 35.99, to me that is a nightmare. But if you need money quick, let's say you just got a new job, you need a car real quick, this would be good to get this loan and start making them payments back and start rebuilding your credit, or just building your credit, building that history. You need that history. History is very important, people, when it comes to credit. So my overall opinion, you could go right here and check your offer. You could find your branch right here. My overall opinion of this, for somebody that's in that 620 credit score and above, go ahead and apply. But all I'm going to tell you, make sure it's worthwhile. You're doing it for a good reason. Like I said, you might have got a job, you need a car immediately, or you have a business idea and you need money cash now. If you get a quick 10,000, 15,000, you could start an online, store. We're not going to get into that. There's a million things you could do with $20,000. I could come up with a million ideas when it comes to creating passive money if I was able to get 5, 10, 15, 20,000 today. So if you have One Main Financial in the past, leave in a comment, let me know. If you do apply after you see my video, let me know what you think, and I appreciate you. Again, remember, please like, subscribe, but for now, and don't forget, comment. I'm up out of here.